Hi guys, Agatha here from Dolfin RGV. We buy houses and we pay cash, and we work in McAllen and all around the Rio Grande Valley area. A question we get a lot from our customers and from our friends is, can I afford a house, and what credit score do I need to buy a house and to get a mortgage? Well, there are different requirements for the lenders. The best mortgage you would like to find is the FHA loan. FHA loans are less risky for the lenders because they are backed by the Federal Housing Administration, and they have really good rates. And also you can get a loan depending on your credit score, having to give 3.5% down or 10% down. So if you don't have too much money to start, it's a great way to get a house for a first-time home buyer. Usually, they say the minimum score is 580. However, most of the lenders will ask you for a credit score of 620 to 640 to get the loan. Sometimes they will work with you if you are in the 600s, between a little close to 620. They can work with you to improve your credit. You will have to wait to get your credit up, and there are many ways you can do it. So you need always to be checking your credit score to see where are you at. The other loans are the conventional loans. For the conventional loans, you need a higher down payment to get your house. The houses don't need so many requirements as the FHA loans, but the down payment can be substantial, usually like 20% down. There are ways around it. You can always get a PMI, which is a private mortgage insurance, to help you with the down payment. A really good loan if you are a member of the military or National Guard, or if you are in the reserves, it's the VA loan. The VA loans have really good terms, and if you qualify, I will highly encourage you to get one of those VA loans, and thank you for your service. Some other loans that are there can be remodeling loans. Some people have a house that is not up to date, or they purchase a house that needs a lot of work and they need to remodel. So there are remodeling loans out there. You will need basically a credit of 640 or more to get one of those loans. And always the lenders are going to ask you for basic paperwork to prove your income. They're going to require W-2s, the pay stubs, some bank statements, and tax return. Usually they will ask you for like 2 years tax return, the last 2 W-2s, and the last 2 or 3 paycheck stubs to see if you're worth of credit and you can get one. It's good to get pre-qualified so you can be shopping later for the house and get it faster. At Dolfin RGV, we are not lenders, but we work with a lot of customers. We buy houses cash. Many people have some financial hardships and they need to sell their house fast, get the cash, and then move on. And we can help you with that. If you have some questions, we are here to help. You can reach us out at our phone number. You can text us at 956-904-5234 or check our website.